How to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. So if you are seeing this error, then here is how to fix it. First of all you have to do is open any web browser on your mobile device. So I'm here simply tapping on the Safari. Now, once inside the web browser, all you have to do is in the search address bar, type down the Snapchat login and hit enter and search for it. So now, once you type down the Snapchat login, you can simply try logging in through the Snapchat Weave. So here you can see login Snapchat option available at the top. Navigate to its official website. Then here you can simply enter your account credentials and tap on the login or sign in option available there and sign into your account. Now, if this does not work, then all you have to do is tap on the search address bar again and simply type down the Snapchat reset password and hit enter and search for it. So now, once you do so, you will get to see options available on your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on this Snapchat reset and navigate to its official website. And there you will get to see the reset option available. Simply type down your email and reset your password. And again, if this method also does not help you, then all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and type down Snapchat support. Once you type down the Snapchat support, simply tap on the Snapchat support at the top to its official website. Scroll down unless you see contact us. Tap on it. Now here tap on the my account was compromised option available at the top. Then scroll down and tap on the contact us option available in the red highlights. Then here you'll be navigated to the Snapchat support form section. All you have to do is enter your Snapchat account details and simply type down what problem you are going through and tap on the support option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.